case you don't already know us, we are Denise and Tony, and with our son, we own Xtreme Carpet Cleaning here in town.
Yep. And I'm Tony. This is Denise, in case you were confused. And then we have Parker that's working with us also. He's been, well, according to him, he says he's been doing this since he's 5 years old. So he's about 21 years old now.
So lots of experience.
Yeah, lots of experience. Probably almost more than me.
So that brings us to how long we've been doing this. So we've been cleaning carpet and tile and furniture for almost 26 years now. So we've been in this area since 2008. So we've been doing our thing up here, and it's a family business, and we're locally owned. And I hope you'll check us out online, give us a like, a follow, and message us with any questions.
And check out our reviews too.
Yeah.
Reviews mean a lot, and we appreciate all of our customers, our loyal customers, and all the great reviews.